Get ready for an incredible journey as we explore 9 pivotal aspects that can silently transform your life. Join us actively in this quest, sharing your thoughts on each topic, and stay engaged until the very end. The upcoming moments offer you a chance to delve deep, reflect, and gain a better understanding of your true self. Brace yourself for a journey of learning and growth that awaits. Let's dive into the first point. When facing individuals who inflict harm upon you, there's no obligation to justify yourself to those causing pain. No need for complaints, arguments, or confrontations. Move forward without seeking justifications, staying calm and rational, focusing on your own growth. Remember, it's okay to silently remove those who hurt you, as time will reveal the consequences of their actions. Prioritize self-care, allowing your emotional well-being to flourish on the path towards a more authentic and fulfilling life. The second point emphasizes the importance of eliminating unnecessary goals without broadcasting your moves. Make silent adjustments, prioritizing the path that aligns best with your essence. Gradually make changes in your life with discretion, protecting your plans, and allowing authenticity to guide your decisions. Moving on to relationships, whether friendships or romantic connections. The third point highlights the significance of not sharing intimate details or venting about the end of a relationship. Keep such matters private, dealing with issues internally to aid in the acceptance and healing process. Preserve the privacy and dignity of all parties involved, fostering emotional well-being with wisdom and discretion. In moments of tension, the fourth point encourages avoiding the escalation of emotions in front of others. Redirect negative feelings towards actions that yield beneficial results, cultivating gratitude and seeking internal balance quietly. Aim to resolve issues discreetly, fostering healthier approaches to facing challenges. The fifth point underscores the importance of avoiding sharing judgments about others. Learn to be diplomatic, maintaining a respectful and empathetic posture in interactions. Act intelligently when faced with differences, contributing to a more harmonious environment and healthier relationships. Point 6 advises against constant comparison to others. Recognize and value individual paths, achievements, and successes without falling into the trap of unfavorable comparison. By eliminating comparison, cultivate gratitude for your own circumstances and celebrate your unique progress and growth. The seventh point focuses on the conscious use of social media. Treat your life as a fascinating story and social media as a library, where you seek specific content without getting lost in constant comparison. Define specific times to check social media, question your intentions, and recognize when it negatively impacts your mood. Reconnect with real-world activities to protect your mental health and rediscover the beauty of your own story. Moving forward to the eighth point, liberate yourself from the pursuit of external approval. Value your own inner voice above external opinions. Make decisions aligned with your true desires and cultivate relationships that support your individuality. Embrace the path of authenticity, writing your own story with the ink of courage. The ninth point delves into the delicate balance of privacy and discretion in handling relationships. Treat relationships as sacred spaces, avoiding the divulgence of intimate details or reasons for the end of our relationship. Maintain dignity and privacy, giving yourself time and space to heal and learn from each experience. If you found this content inspiring, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell for notifications, and don't forget to leave a like and comment. Let's continue this journey of self-discovery and growth together.